We have a representative from each of those teacher team levels report to the BLT, the building leadership team, what learning they are undergoing, what they're learning, the barriers that they're coming up against, some challenges that they're experiencing. And so that's shared throughout the building, and now we have an avenue to disseminate that throughout the building. And now other teams can say, that's really interesting. You know, in our next cycle as a team, let's pursue that learning and let's use our colleagues as a resource to support that learning. And then at the district leadership team meeting, at the district level, we have representatives from each building leadership team report out the highlights of the learning that's going on in their building. So now we have an avenue to disseminate it across the entire system. Further, we made a small tweak in that we meet as a district leadership team before the building leadership teams meet. So at the district leadership team, we look across our data, we identify trends and patterns, and the most important thing that we do there is we generate questions. And having done that before the building leadership teams meet now, those questions become an important part of their agenda. So now when they sit down and they review the data and they review their building specific data, they're doing it up against this backdrop of here's some questions that we need to answer. And then that information then can be cycled back up to the DLT, that learning can be disseminated. And so the next steps are taking place at the building and the district leadership team meeting, but they're being guided in a very direct way. So it's the same process that we and others have been doing for a long time, but we found some small tweaks that were really, really important. And I'd say that the OIP is still the foundation of our system-wide learning, but it's taken time to get to those decision points, to get to, like I said, I feel like we now are truly a learning organization.